amazing package today, and I wanted to come on here to do an unboxing of an amazing unit from a company that I've already bought a couple of wigs from, so I know it's gonna be good. It's from the company called UNice, and you can actually find them on Amazon. And it's not a full lace wig. It has a bang on it. It's like super cute. Okay, so let's get into it. It's an orange color, like a copper orange color, and it is 18 inches long. Let's see. So it came in this box. You open up the box, and the wig, see that color? That's the wig in here wrapped up. It came with a stocking cap. And oh, this is really cute. It came with a really cute headband. I guess I'm gonna use this today since it matches me. And it had, the headband has like these birds on it. It's really pretty, like sparrows. All right, so let's see. I'm so excited. Okay. So it has a stocking in here and the side. The color is really pretty. See, and it has a bang. The inside it has adjustable straps. Okay. Now, and it's super soft. So let me put this on and I'll be right back. So this is the unit once it's applied with the cute headband. This is without it being straightened, anything, but you can straighten it. You could dye the hair. I really like this like wavy look. So freaking cute. And the headband, I really love this. So the hair is true to size. The hair comes right around here to me. I am 5'6", so this is where the hair reaches up to me right here. Super cute. The color is really vibrant. Like, I'm excited to wear this outside, because one thing is having indoor lights, and then another thing is actually going outside and having the sun hitting you. So I know this is going to be nice and bright. So I will leave all of their information in the description box with the link to the wig. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. But check out that company because they're bomb as hell.